Hey, what's up, Tezos fans? So today there's a huge announcement, or actually it was a couple days ago. Kalam announced that you can now make offers on NFTs using KUSD, Plenty, Kalam, as well as, what was it, Crunch? I think Crunch, yeah. So which is really exciting for me because you can put an offer in for Crunch, we'll put an offer in with Kalam, and you can use your sort of DeFi rewards without swapping back to Tez and just kind of use those to purchase NFTs. I think that's a really big game-changing, what do you call it, feature that Kalam has introduced. So let's go ahead and take a deeper dive into their Medium article and discuss what this is going to imply. You can see from the Medium article, they're introducing these 5 tokens, it looks like. Sorry, 4 tokens: Kalam, Plenty, KUSD, and Crunch. And you can make an offer, and you can accept the offer on your offer page, just like that. So this allows you to kind of use Tezos DeFi, make your DeFi rewards, and then use that kind of for an NFT or sort of a physical product to use your interest on. So it's really cool. And it looks like they also have their new UI coming out. Well, we've all been really excited about this. The new UI where you can kind of organize and search for things easier, search for different collections and stuff like that a little bit easier than the current UI. Also, they're going to have a nice dark theme, so your eyes aren't kind of like popping out of your head when you're watching this at night or before you go to bed. You kind of want to look at some art and you don't have to worry about, blue light so much. I think the new UI looks really nice. They have really great like spacing and borders around the art to really make it pop out on the page. I think they did a really good job with the mechanics. Looks great to me. And I'm really excited. I really like to use Kalam. I just sometimes have issues because I can't search for what I want. I usually have to go to Twitter and then kind of go back to Kalam to find using the Twitter link or something, using the link from Twitter to the page that I want to go to. Okay, so let's head over to Kalam and take a look at this new feature. Okay, so I kind of like this fly pigeon looking thing, like a warrior pigeon. I like that. Looks more like a falcon to me, but I like the art. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make an offer in KUSD. I wonder if they get an email notification when you get an offer. That'd be cool. I bet they do, because it is tied to your email address. So make the offer. Boom. And now we have made the offer. This is pretty cool though. I like it how you can kind of do it. It's much easier for me to like spend the right amount of, crypto that I want to spend when I think in US dollars. I mean, we all kind of lived in a dollar-based economy. At least most of us have. So it's nice to kind of think, oh wow, I'm only spending $5 on this art. That's not too bad. Instead, you just spend like 20 Tez. Oh, 20 Tez, not that bad. But then they like do the math. It's like, oh, it's 5. That's 120 bucks. Whoops. All right, looks like my offer is made. So that's it for the video today. I just want to kind of show you guys what the new announcement entails and show how you can go ahead and make offers on Kalam now. I will see you guys all in my next tutorial and catch you later.
Bro, we need to pump it. Everybody go to Twitter and hashtag the things, pump it, pump it real good. We need a good pump. Everybody deserves a nice Tezos pump.